What is going on YouTube? Welcome to TJ Mitchell Films, your one-stop shop for everything Jeep and off-road related content. And today I'm coming at you guys with a walk-around video of a Jeep that you may have seen on social media before. This is Synergy Manufacturing's two-door JL, and why you might have seen this before is this. This Jeep has been all over Moab. It has flown through the air, and I'm gonna give you guys a breakdown and walk around of this rig right now. All right, so let's start up front and then we'll work our way to the back. So first off, obviously you're gonna notice that it has the worn winch with the Factor 55 hook here, Baja Designs light bar on the front. This bumper here looks to be just one of the factory Jeep stubby options with obviously the winch plate added in. We'll drop down under the front. This is where most of Synergy's goodies will be at. Now this Jeep is featuring Synergy's full steering kit with stock steering stabilizer Relocation. This is a sport model, so no auto disconnecting sway bar, but we could disconnect the sway bar with their end links here. Also sporting the Synergy track bar bracket and steering brace here. The shocks are Fox remote reservoir. So you can see we got a little bit of adjustability up here, which is always nice. If we pop the hood here, we have a stock 2-liter turbo. Everything under here is stock. This Jeep's pretty fun to drive. It's pretty quick. The tires are 35-inch Nitto Ridge Grappler all-terrains with stock Rubicon wheels. Obviously, one of the biggest things that you guys are going to notice is the wrap. Some of it is fairly subtle. Some of it is a little blingy, but there's some more subtleties. I don't know if you'll be able to pick this up of the Synergy logo on here. You got the stubby antenna. Couple more Baja Designs lights up front, as well as their logo up there. Now these sliders are the factory sliders, but with some added tube and dimple die plate, and those seem to have been holding up well. Moving on to the rear, I forgot they have Synergy's wheel spacers on here to help get those wheels out and away. Stock rear bumper. Everything back here is pretty stock. Under the rear, you got those Fox remote reservoir shocks as well. In the rear, you can see bump stock extensions and the 2-inch lift springs. Obviously got the soft top. Side windows come off. Back window comes off, and then the top flips back. Like I said, this is a base sport model, rocking the rough country floor mats here. And if we jump up inside here, it's pretty simple, but it gets the job done. You got your little baby infotainment screen here. Base model interior, we got crank windows. Look at that. It's old school. We got the back seat in here still. And up front, I'm not sure what controller this is, but this is what they are using to control their lights. Also, I noticed I thought the key was a little funny without the clicker on it. So no clicker, but key for the doors. So that is gonna do it for the walk around of Synergy's two-door JL. It's simple. It's meant to showcase their base model 2-inch lift kit and what you can do with the Sport. 2-inch lift, 35s, and this thing can do a lot of things. You'd be surprised. I mean, you've seen them jump it, you've seen them do all that stuff with this Jeep, and it's still here. I'm driving it. Drives straight, drives fine, no issues. I have this Jeep on loan while my Gladiator is in the shop. and they never said I couldn't take it off-road. So, I mean, I gotta at least put it in four-wheel drive, so.